Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Chili Pop sent us these personal fans for honest review and feedback. They come in a box like this, and it comes with a charging cable and the fan itself. I figure what better way to test them than over 4th of July weekend with the family. America 250. Now, like I said, there are pretty nice little fans. They have a little button on the back. It's one button operation. You just hold that button in and the fan starts. And then it has 3 adjustable speeds. You just hit it 3 more times, and then the last time it'll shut off. So it's pretty silent. It doesn't make a lot of noise, but it does give out a pretty good amount of airflow. And we're sitting out at the pool having a barbecue, hamburgers, hot dogs. They're very easy to operate, and the kids love them as well. Getting out of the pool, taking a break, using them just to cool off in between. It's been around 98 degrees here the last few days, so it's definitely hot. And they have these little hooks on them. You can hang them on the back of chairs, hang them from the ceiling, whatever, on little hooks. I actually hang it from the umbrella. And then my daughter here, just loving it. We used it all day long. It has an 8-hour, they say it has an 8-hour battery life. We ran it pretty much all day and didn't really have to recharge it. My daughter may have charged it up for a few minutes here to there, and it only takes 2 hours to get it all the way back to a full charge. So if you are planning on using it all day, maybe midday, you might want to plug it in for 20 or 30 minutes to get another 4 or 5 hours out of it. But we used it pretty much all day. It's the last call at the pool. We're getting winding down. It's about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We've been here for like 5 hours. So now we're going to head home in a few minutes. Last call for the kids at the pool. 5 minutes left. Get out, draw off. Riding home with the kids, the whole family, loving the fans. Time to go get some fireworks and do some Tennessee fireworks. All the neighbors in the cul-de-sac were all doing fireworks, and the kids loved it. They had their fans celebrating America 250. I think they're like about $9 on sale right now. So I'll leave a link down in the description. You can check the current price, but my family loved them. I would highly recommend them, and I think they're a pretty quality product for that price. I'd buy multiple. Take it easy.